Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to remove the jack from your Ram 1500. First, locate the jack assembly, which is typically stored under the rear passenger seat. Simply lift the seat bottom to reveal the storage compartment. You will then see the jack and its components. Identify the strap or bolt that holds the jack securely in place. This initial step is crucial for safe and easy removal. To release the jack, you'll need to unfasten the retaining strap or loosen the securing bolt. If it's a bolt, turn it counterclockwise until it is completely disengaged from its mounting point. Once the securing mechanism is free, you can carefully lift the entire jack assembly out of its storage compartment. This process should be straightforward and require minimal effort. The jack assembly typically includes the jack itself, a handle for operation, and a lug wrench for removing wheel nuts. Before using the jack, always ensure all these components are present and in good working order. When you're finished, remember to store the jack securely back in its compartment to prevent any rattling or movement while driving. Proper storage is key for safety. For your safety, always use the jack on a flat, stable, and level surface. Never, under any circumstances, work underneath your Ram 1500 if it is only supported by the jack. Always use jack stands for additional support. For detailed, model-specific instructions and safety warnings, always refer to your vehicle's owner's manual. Safety is paramount.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.